This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. Its top features include a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a passenger side vanity mirror, latch-ready child seat anchors, variable valve timing, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 37 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.